Okay, so here we have a clamp meter. So clamp meter measures the current in the wire, and this is the extension outlet that we made before, so I slightly I made to separate the two wires just for the clamp meter to be inserted here so we can measure the current. So let's take the voltage first of our outlet. So you set this to voltage with an AC current. So let's try this. Okay, so the house voltage is at 230 volts. Okay. So we'll not be needing this anymore. We'll use this to measure. So to measure, you have to select it at this amperes, up to 20 amperes. So it's just a small current that we'll be measuring. So we have to test. We have a cell phone charger with 18 watts rating. We have a cloth iron with 1200 watts and electric fan with 65 watts. So to measure, we have to use only one line. So you should not be doing these two lines. No, should be one line only, like that, so we can measure the current. So let's try cell phone charger. So cell phone charger usually has rating of 18 watts, but generally that's not the true rated power. 18 watts, that is for the 5 volts of the USB. So the 220 or the 238 volts may be a lower rating. So let's try it. Okay, so it's just 0.03, and then going down to, so this is the stable rating, so we use 0.15. So we have 238 times 0.015. So it's just 3.57 watts. So more or less around 4 watts. This one is consuming 3.57. Okay, so not that much current. So let's try another one. So it reset back to 0. Let's try electric fan. So the fan has 3 speed, 1, 2, 3. So we'll try number 1 first. Okay, it's 0, 0. So I'll set to number 1. Okay, at number 1, it's maybe 22. That's number 1 speed. So 238 times 0.22. So more or less it's 52 watts. So this is rated at 65 watts. So we're getting around 52 watts. So let's put number 2. So this is number 2. 0.22. So 238. 22. So almost the same, just a small increment. That's number 3. Let's try number 3. So number 3, it increases to 0.23. So just 54 watts. That's the electric fan. Let's turn it off. Now let's try a bigger one. So this one is cloth iron. So cloth iron have 1200 watts rating. Okay, let's try this. Okay, power on. Okay, so it's 5.7 amperes. So if you try to compute 238 times 5.75, it's more than 1200. It's 1368 watts. So flat iron consumes this much. Okay. Let's turn it up. Okay, so that's how you measure current using clamp meter.